So one of the things that you're always going to be asked on your SAT is how to find the height of an equilateral triangle. Now, when it comes to finding the height of an equilateral triangle, you need to realize something. The base is always going to be the same as all the other sides. So let's say that you have an equilateral triangle, and you know that the sides are all, let's say, 5 long. All right, well, 5, 5, 5. The problem is that the height of this triangle is this, the dotted line. So how do you go about finding this? Well, the big key is to realize that every single equilateral triangle is actually two 30, 60, 90 right triangles shoved together. So this is 30, this is 30, and of course this is 60 and this is 60. And if you think about it, it makes total sense because when you look at a right triangle, 30 plus 30 here and here add up to 60. These are both 60, so it's an equilateral. And of course, if you draw a perpendicular line up, it has to make two 90-degree angles. So once you realize that, let's look at a 30, 60, 90 individually. When you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, there are certain rules that always apply. Now, the side closest to 60 is A. The side that is the hypotenuse is 2A. And this part, the part closest to 30, is always A root 3. So going back to that earlier equilateral, if we think about it and we say, all right, the base of the whole thing was 5, and if this is half of the base, because it's split in half, then A equals 2.5. Now this still stays true, because 2A is 5, which was the length of the equilateral in the first place, and now the height is A times root 3, or 2.5 root 3. So once you have this visual in mind, there's an easier way to remember this, which is just the height of an equilateral triangle is 1/2 the base times root 3. If you remember that, then these problems that ask you to find the height of an equilateral are going to be unbelievably simple.